In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom code to GoDaddy. Start by opening your web browser and heading to your preferred search engine. In the search bar, type GoDaddy and press Enter. Click the official GoDaddy website in the results to open it, then sign into your account. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, complete that step as usual. Once you're in, look to the top right of the page and click your account name or avatar to open the account menu. From that drop-down, select My Products. This takes you to a dashboard that lists everything you own under your account. Find the website you want to work on. If you manage multiple sites, double-check you're selecting the correct one so you don't make changes to the wrong project. Click to open its editor. You should now be in the Websites + Marketing editor, where you can modify pages and sections. To add your custom code, you'll create a new section on the page. Look for the plus icon that lets you add a section and click it. A panel will appear with different section categories. Choose the Files and Web category. This area contains tools that connect your site to outside content and services. From there, pick the HTML option. This is specifically built for embedding code snippets like widgets, forms, iframes, or scripts you want to run on your site. You'll see a choice to embed custom code on the page. Click that, and the editor will insert an HTML section into your layout. A code box will appear where you can paste your custom code. Add your HTML, CSS, or JavaScript exactly as provided by the service you're integrating. If your snippet references external scripts or styles, keep the links intact so everything loads properly. As a best practice, never paste private keys, passwords, or any sensitive information into your website code. After pasting, the editor preview should update to show how the code renders. If you don't immediately see changes, give it a moment or try switching between desktop and mobile previews. You can also adjust the section's placement on the page by dragging it to where you want it to appear. Keep an eye on layout spacing so your new block looks clean and consistent with your design. If something doesn't behave as expected, confirm you copied the full snippet, check for missing closing tags, and verify that any external resources are reachable. Some third-party scripts may have restrictions. Consult the provider's instructions if needed. That's it. You've added a custom code section to your GoDaddy site. With this method, you can safely embed tools and features while keeping control of your site's design and performance.